It can be very frustrating if your YouTube channel monetization is suspended. That means your YouTube channel that has been earning money will no longer earn. I've been there before. I'm going to show you what to do when or if your YouTube channel monetization is suspended. My YouTube channel monetization was suspended and I survived it. In fact, I have 2 YouTube channels. The first one was suspended. I served the suspension period. Then the second one, after appeal, the suspension was lifted within 24 hours. I can imagine you wake up one morning and on your email is that devastating email notifying you that your monetized channel is no longer earning. Well, just relax, just follow me and I will share with you steps to handle a suspended YouTube channel monetization. The first thing you need to do is, number 1, understand the reason for suspension. Check your email or YouTube Studio notification. The reason for the suspension is always specified. Common reasons for monetization includes might be community guideline violation, copyright infringement, or terms of service breaches. But on your email or YouTube Studio notification, it will be specified, it will be very clear the reason for the suspension. So understand the reason for the suspension. The second is review YouTube policies, because you get to know the YouTube's copyright policies, community guidelines, terms of service to ensure you understand what went wrong. Because if you know the policies and you check what went wrong with your channel, and then it will help you to take the next step. The next step is after doing this and you are sure that there's a mistake, submit an appeal. And if you are convinced that the suspension was a mistake, go ahead and submit an appeal through the YouTube Studio dashboard or the designated appeal form. Then the next step is provide clear evidence. That's on that you appeal. In your appeal, clearly explain the situation and provide evidence or context that supports your case. You need to provide evidence. It's very, very important. Then the next step is wait for a response. YouTube will review your appeal and respond with a decision. This may take several days or weeks, so be patient. And again, you are advised not to delete any video on your channel in the process of your appeal. You will have to wait until YouTube reviews your appeal. Okay, the next thing is either your appeal will either go through or it will be denied. Then if it goes through, that's good for you, but if it's denied, take the next step. Make changes and improvements. When you are at fault, no need for appeal. Simply review and improve your content, title, descriptions, and tags to ensure they align with YouTube policies. You have to remove and edit problematic content. You have to update your metadata or title. Just find out the cause of the problem. If it's adding necessary disclaimer or warnings, you do it, and ensure compliance with copyright or trademark laws. And then you move on. Then the last step is you have to seek support from others like us who may have experienced similar situations. Okay, while working on your YouTube channel and you are denied, you have to seek support so that you not make the same mistake. After that, you will reapply to be considered, and if you are considered, the suspension will be lifted after probably 3 months or so. But if your channel is permanently suspended, you might consider rebranding or recreating content. You need to start anew. and then use this chance to rebrand or recreate content that adheres to YouTube policies. But I will always say suspension is preventable. Always review your YouTube policies and ensure your content align with their guidelines so that you avoid suspension. It will help you to minimize the risk of suspension and ensure ongoing compliance. Always remember that during the appeal process, if you mistakenly or intentionally delete any video or videos or make changes to your suspended channel, you have nullified your right to appeal. You are only left with one option, and that is to wait until your suspension period is over before you can reapply. Please let me get your comments on this topic at the comment section. And if your channel has once been suspended, I will be glad to hear your experience. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and help me share. Thank you for watching. Bye.